How to remove people or objects from a photo on iPhone 16 Pro Max. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can remove people or objects from a photo in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So let's dive in. So first you have to go to your settings and then click this general option and then click software update. Now make sure your phone is up to date and it's 18.1 and later, because this option is only available on iOS 18.1 and later. So once you have seen that your software is up to date, now open your gallery, and then on your gallery you have to choose the image that you want to edit, and then you simply have to click this edit icon over here, and then you have to choose this cleanup option. And now wait for a second, and then it's going to give you this text: tab, brush or circle what you want to remove, pinch to pan and zoom. Now you can pinch to pan and zoom, and you have to simply tap, brush, or you can just circle whatever you want to remove. I'm going to brush this over here. So once you're done brushing, it's going to remove this over here. Now once I'm done, now you can see the cleanup is going to work and remove this. Here you go. And that's how you remove objects or people from the photos in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Once done, click this done on the top right corner, and here you go. That's how you do it.